Hello everyone, welcome to Stayflexi. I am Hanvita and in this video I'll walk you through the Stayflexi Dashboard. So think of the Stayflexi Dashboard as your command center which gives you the complete control of your property at a glance from daily operations to performance insights. It is super simple, user friendly and keeps everything you need in one place. Now I'll explain the step by step so that it is super easy for you to use this feature more effectively. Now, as soon as you land here on the dashboard, the first thing you will notice here on your left hand side is the welcome message, which says something like good morning, afternoon and evening, which shows that the system is running on a real-time basis. And right below that, you will see the current date along with the calendar icon. So just click on the icon, this opens the calendar view instantly. You can use this calendar icon to go back to previous dates and see the past reservation details anytime. And also you can use this to go to the future dates and know how many new bookings are in store for your property. And now here on the dashboard, we got two important tabs that are the reservations and performance tab. So I'll start with the reservations tab first. So this tab gives you everything that you need to know on a daily basis. So it covers all the booking activities from new bookings to no-shows. It has different color code tiles mentioned here, which gives you a quick overview of the new bookings, nothing but the bookings that are made by the guest for today, and in-house, so the guest who are staying with you, arrivals and departures, the check-ins and check-outs for today, and other pending actions like cancellations, on hold and no-shows. And now among these tiles, there's something very unique, that is our magic link. So what is this magic link? So it's basically a simple URL that you can send your guest via email or even WhatsApp. And here comes the best part. With this link, your guest can do almost everything on their own. So I'll quickly tell you what all your guests can do with this magic link. They can do self-check-in or self-checkout, they can extend their stay, they can add the add-ons and even they can settle any pending dues for their stay. And yes, all without waiting at the front desk. It's pretty cool, right? And it doesn't stop there. We also give you a QR code for the magic link. You can just download it and place it at your front desk, and whoever the guest comes to your property can simply scan it and get the things done instantly. So it basically means less effort for your staff and a smoother experience for your guest. So that's about the magic link. And just below these tiles, you will find a brief folio of the guest which covers the name of the guest, the phone number, the booking ID, the check-in, check-out status, also the source of the booking. So here this person walking symbol denotes it's a walk-in reservation, and you also have other sources like booking.com, Expedia, and the payment details. So everything got covered in this brief folio. And if you need a handy copy of this, you can even download these reports by clicking on this download report. So this is especially useful, let's say if your housekeeping team wants a list of today's checkouts, or maybe if your manager needs a snapshot of in-house guests, so then you can use this download report option and get the data instantly. And you also have this sort and search bar where you have columns already predefined, so you can sort the data by name, check-in, check-out and the other options as well. So yes, in short, the reservation tab is your daily control room, I would say, because it gives you everything you need to manage your operations quickly and effectively. Now let's move over to the performance tab. So the performance tab is all about insights, which helps you to understand how your business is running on a daily basis. Here you will find key metrics like occupancy, revenue and pickup. So all these three metrics are covered for today. And you also have this option pre-booking window, in which you will understand how far in advance your guests are reserving for your property. And now if you notice here, these metrics are compared with yesterday's data. So we use two colors here, the red and green. The red indicator shows there's a decline in the business since yesterday, and the green indicator shows there's a growth in the business again since yesterday. So based on this, you can easily understand whether your business is performing better or dropping compared to yesterday. And also you can accordingly plan your pricing strategies with this feature. And next, one of the most powerful feature here is our market intelligence, in which we have the city demand trends. So we have divided this into two views, that are daily and monthly. So in the daily view, you will see what's happening in the market along with the pricing trends. To make it easy, we have given the color codes here. The red means the prices are on a lower side, the yellow color means they are typical, and green indicates that the prices are a bit pricier. And here comes the coolest part, that is the view hotels option. So if you click on it, this instantly opens all the nearby properties, or let's say your competitive properties for your location, along with the base price they are selling at. So you can always have a look at it and know how your market is moving just by looking at this chat. And similarly, you also have this monthly demand trends with even more insightful data. So it has the weather conditions, the crowd details, and also the pricing ranges. You can also move this sheet by clicking on this arrow. It gives the whole year data, and you can also plan your pricing strategies for the upcoming months as well. And below this, you will find a quick snapshot data of rooms pickup by source, revenue pickup by source, and generated by source and room type as well. So this shows how many bookings are coming from which OTAs like booking.com, Make My Trip, Atra, and other OTAs that you are connected with. So if you observe all these data are covered for the past 7 days. So you can also use this section to quickly compare how your OTAs are performing and see which one is driving the most revenue for your property. And going above, on the right hand side, you have this availability today column. So this shows how many rooms are available for today along with the base price that you are offering. So this comes very handy when you have a walk-in guest asking about availability. You can just quickly look into this column and share the data with your guest. And finally, right below here, you will also see the recommendations and product updates if anything that Stayflexi newly launches, so that you are always in the loop with Stayflexi improvements. And yes, Stayflexi has a mobile app for both iOS and Android as well. We have recently launched an iPad version too. So with these, you can also manage your property anytime, anywhere, and even on the go. So yes, that's a complete overview of the Stayflexi dashboard. If you have any queries or need assistance with Stayflexi, you can reach out to us through our support tools. We have our support team available 24/7. So yeah, make the most of it and stay ahead with Stayflexi. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.